The Allahabad High Court has issued notice to the centre and the state government and the Uttar Pradesh DGP questioning them as to why the Bhatta Parsol case should not be handed over to the CBI. I've got Pranshu joining me on the phone. Pranshu, this is significant because the Allahabad High Court has questioned not just the state government but the centre and also the DGP there. What is the basis for this questioning for the Allahabad High Court? What do they maintain?
Well, see, this entire move has come on the basis during the hearing of a PIL filed in this entire case, and this PIL was filed by a social activist from Noida itself, who has demanded that since this case has come under the much scrutiny, the allegations have been made that there were several people who were murdered there and several women were raped there. The police has in fact committed lots of atrocities on the farmers there. Therefore, a certain section of people have moved to High Court demanding a CBI probe into this case. Hearing over that PIL today, the Allahabad High Court has issued notices to the centre government, state government, and also to the DGP of UP, asking them to file a reply as to why this case should not be handed over to CBI, and if not, then why. Also asking them to provide with the facts of the entire case. Now, court has given all the concerned parties the time till 8th of July, the date by which the parties concerned, they have to file the reply, and then the court will probably take a call that whether or not this case should be handed over to CBI. But keeping in mind the sort of war between the various political parties, centre and the state over this entire issue, this move is significant because finally this case is now in the review of the High Court. Then High Court probably take a stand, and if it does orders for a CBI probe at the later stage, clearly it would be a big trouble for the state government. So, but at this point in time, the High Court has accepted this PIL, and after accepting this PIL during the course of hearing, has issued notices to the concerned parties, the centre, the state government, and the DGP of UP.
Now, you've said that the time given to all three parties is until the 8th of July. Now, all three, are they bound by law to have to answer this notice, or the answer of any one of these parties will be taken into consideration by the Allahabad High Court before they proclaim the next step?
No, well, yes, all the parties see all these the centre, the state, and the DGP. They all were made party to the case, and if the notices of High Court is being served, clearly it gains significance for anyone to whom this notice is served. So clearly, all the parties concerned, the centre, the state, and the DGP, that is the state police, will definitely within the due date, the given date, would definitely come up with their replies.